welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by once again. In today's the first time seeing me on screen, please guys don't forget to hit that button that says subscribe. Like this video if you find it interesting, and if you have any question, drop it down on the comment section on the comments below. So guys, I'm going to be talking about Zero-Tesh spot removal lotion. Yes, Zero-Tesh spot removal lotion. Yeah, it is. This one is the one with egg yolk, so I'm going to be differentiating the one made with egg yolk and the one made from carrots, because there are two types of Zero-Tesh. Yeah, for those who don't know the meaning of Zero-Tesh, the meaning of Zero-Tesh is zero spots in English. Yeah, this spot remover, I've been using it for 2 years now. Yeah, close to 2 years, and it hasn't given me any reason to complain about it or to stop using it. Yeah, so guys, I've been having some comments on the last review I did about Zero-Tesh, because I made a review on it. If you haven't seen it, please go check it out. It's on my channel. People asking me that I'm looking for I couldn't get the egg yolk. Please, can I use the carrot? Does it actually does the same work? No. I'm here to answer that question. No, it doesn't. There are these two lotions. They are different things. Yes, they do different things. This one, I think, is for the fair people in complexion. Yeah, if you are fair in complexion, this egg yolk is good for you, because I've used the two. I've tried the two before. I was using this egg yolk, yes. But when I went to where I do get this egg yolk, I couldn't find it, so I have to switch to the one with carrot. When I was using the one we made from carrots, I wasn't getting any lighter. No, it wasn't making me lighter. It was just removing the spot from my body, but my skin was just dark, was going darker and dark. So I have to just change it, stop it immediately. This one, I don't longer get it from the African shop that I do get it before. I do order it from eBay. Yes, I do order it from eBay. That's where I get this one now. Just that the shipping fee is very expensive. So guys, if you are light in complexion, I advise you to go for the one with egg yolk. Yeah, you go for the one with egg yolk. It works 100%. Yes, I've been using it for like 2 years, and I can't even stop it unless maybe I start seeing what I don't like on my skin, or maybe stop working on my skin. That's the only way I can switch this product to another one. Apart from that, this Zero-Tesh is one of the best spot remover I've used so far. This egg yolk is one of the best. Why for the carrot? If you are the dark type in complexion, you can go for the carrot. Yes, if you don't want to tone your skin, you don't want your skin to be light, you can go for the carrot, the one made from carrot, because there are two different types. You will even see it. You can see this one now, they draw egg yolk. So there's no reason for you to be confused, or you say you don't know which one is made from carrot. They draw egg yolk. Then the other one, I don't have the container. Maybe I'll place it on the screen. That one they drew carrots on the carton. Yes, they drew carrot on the carton. So guys, I think that's all. And the last video I made sure that you can get it from Amazon. No, sorry guys, that one is an error. I made an error there, guys. You can get this cream from eBay or any African store close to you. That's if the African store is selling it. Because one thing about this lotion is not common. It's not a popular spot removal lotion. No, it's very difficult to get. If you see it on eBay, the shipping cost is so expensive. But apart from that, this cream is so good. This spot remover is very good. I promise that when you get this spot remover, you won't have any reason to complain. Yes, how to use it. How to use this lotion: you have to mix it with your body lotion. But if you have dark elbow or dark knuckles, you can use it directly. Yes, you can use it only on that spot maybe that you are having problem, very dark elbow or very dark knuckle. You can use it directly. But apart from that, you can't just use it as a body lotion. No. Then when you see that the dark spot is you don't longer have dark spots on your elbow or your ankle, you have to stop it and start using it with your body lotion. It's not advisable to use it as a body lotion. No, you have to mix it with your body lotion. Yes, that's it. And it's not made for kids, it's for adults. You can't use it for your kids. It's not for kids, it's for adults. So guys, that's all for today. If today is the first time seeing me on your screen, please subscribe to my channel, join the family, and let's keep the train moving. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always supporting me. I really appreciate you all.